present a speech on women empowerment. Indian culture gives women the utmost respect. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Women play an important role in society and the whole family depends on women for its daily activities. They play the role of mother, wife, homemaker, cook, teacher, friend, nurse, all at the same time while catering to all body's needs. The women who are in job also have to fulfill the job responsibility while managing home and family. The life of woman is very hard, but she gets little or no appreciation. There are lots of women who are extremely talented and multitasker, but have no recognition in society. Gender inequality. One of the major hindrances in the growth and advancement of women is gender inequality. This means that we treat male and female unequally even for the same task. This is generally in the case of rural society. A male child always encouraged by family to go to school while the female child is told to learn household works. Domestic violence. As divorce is still a taboo in Indian society, many women are suffering from abusive marriages. As they are not empowered, they fear to stand up for their rights. If we want to empower women, then domestic violence has to be stopped at any cost. Economic independence. As females were given poor education or no education, they are not able to get good jobs. Thus, either they have to stay at home or do lesser paid jobs. Thus, the male always remain the bread earner of the family, so the woman hardly get economic independence. If we wish to see a nation that develop economically on the global front, then it is very important to have women empowerment. The actual women empowerment will come by making women economically independent. Women and education. Quality education is the key to women empowerment. Slowly, with the increasing in literacy level and awareness, society has started to giving importance to education. Many parents today want to educate their daughters equally as their sons. Many women today are scientists, lecturers, collectors, etc. Women and decision making. The women empowerment also means that the society will also accept women as decision makers for the economical and financial decision of the family. We shall encourage women from all the sections of the society to make their own decisions. They need not take permission from men. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to each and everyone. Here I will talk about the contribution of women to science. If we scout the course of history, we will find out how remarkable ideas came out of the brilliant minds of women and girls in science. They have changed the course of thinking of scientists in different scientific domains. Due to their research, inventions, innovation and discoveries, we are enjoying so many things in our lives and have a good future ahead. Whether it is Madame Curie or Shakuntala Devi, we have witnessed miracle happening. Madame Curie is the only woman to receive the Nobel Prize in Physics and Chemistry in a gap of just 8 years. Shakuntala Devi is a prodigy who can solve any complex mathematical operation without using any calculating devices. She is known as the human computer of India. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian origin woman aeronautical engineer hailing from Haryana, India. She was the chosen engineer of NASA to go to the International Space Station. She is the first Indian woman and the second Indian to go to space after Rakesh Sharma. All these names are proof that women have played a significant role in the development of science and technology. The increased participation of women in science and technology will escalate the talent pool and will deliver excellent results in the future. It will also empower women and encourage them to choose their respective fields of science. It will also pave the way to understanding the importance and role of women in science, engineering, technology, and mathematics. Will give birth to social role models and will encourage the future generation to pursue the same. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.